Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Imovie while holding Option so you can pick or create the exact library you'll manage. Inspect its file path in Finder and note total size, because storage dictates strategy. Once done, open the library properties to view events, projects, and media counts. That tells you where space and organization problems live. Make sure to quit other apps that may lock media, and before moving files, confirm you have at least one backup copy. Next, consolidate scattered media into the active iMovie library using File Consolidate Media, because a single container prevents missing clip errors later. Create events and folders to group shoots, and tag clips with keywords and favorites so you can find them fast. As you work, delete unused render files and remove duplicate clips to reclaim space. This speeds exports. If you need to relocate heavy assets, move them with Finder and then relink in iMovie so paths remain valid. To finish, archive the cleaned library to an external SSD or NAS and verify the copy. Checksums or simple playtests work well. If iMovie flags problems, repair the library by launching iMovie while holding Option and Command. That rebuilds indexes and can fix missing media links. Once stable, compact the library by removing proxy or render files, or export as XML for long-term backups. If something goes wrong, restore the archive and run repair. That usually resolves correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.